Welcome to a demo of Spekit. What I'm showing you here is how the end user interacts with Spekit. Here, using our Chrome extension that is reading directly from our web app and knowledge base, Spekit has automatically identified any given field or object or pick list value where there might be some help available. For example, on the opportunity object, let's say you have a new user. Here they can quickly watch a video to understand how to create an opportunity or view any related information you have, for example, on what record types to pick. Down here, you can see any related FAQs or processes to that opportunity. For example, a user might need to know how to create an event in Salesforce Lightning. And they can view that right here. They can even zoom in to view that animated GIF as well. This is actually one of the examples of our out-of-the-box content. Now, more importantly, you can embed training next to any given field or even pick list value. So for example, here if I was looking at my stages and needed to understand what does qualification mean and what exactly do I need to do here, as a user I could view that right there. You can even see prospecting. Oh, looks like there's a notification here that's been posted letting me know that there's been a change to this card. This has been updated in line with our sales process changes. So here you can see an example of our notification platform that allows you to embed communication around any process changes, any new fields, any new pick lists that are happening in your org, right where the user needs to be informed of that change. Now, the great thing is that you can actually create this documentation on the go. So as an editor, whether you're a power user or an admin, you can simply highlight, right-click, and then if this field is available for documentation, such as project type, you can see here that it's on the opportunity, this is the API name, you can go ahead and add a definition right there in context. In this case, I'm simply going to add an image that tells them what types of projects we have. And I'm not going to add a notification, but the user will see it next time they log in or next time they access this record page. So you'll see here as I refresh that the icon is available. In the meantime, the search bar here can be accessed at any point in time to search for any question. For example, let's say a user had a question on how to create a report. They can search there and see this spec and follow this process step by step, zooming in where needed. So any knowledge, whether it's Salesforce related or general business related, can be accessed in this wiki right here. And just to go back here to our project type, we can see now that the icon is available and they can view this image right there. Now the great thing is that all of this documentation is actually stored in the wiki. So if I click View in App, as a user, I can see the full content available around that particular card so that I can view it in this format if I'd rather sit down. Now, the great thing is as a manager, you can actually see analytics around how often this content's being accessed, who has accessed it, and more so that you can understand what parts of your process might need some refining or additional training up front. You can even create what we call a learning track or a knowledge track from your content by tagging it, for example, Salesforce Lightning 101, and recommending that your users go through that training one at a time by following this sequence at their own pace. And even better, not only is this available as a wiki, but if you'd like to document more about your fields from more of a system documentation standpoint, for example, any mappings or integrations, you can have this data dictionary view into your data here where it's organized by your objects, your fields, and all that information that's been pulled in there. And just like a spreadsheet, you can view any information on that given field, such as the API name, for example, or you can even create your own columns to map out to Jira or to link to Trailhead or even map out an additional integration here. Great. Hope this Power Tour demo was helpful. Please contact us at sales@spekit.co with any additional questions. or feel free to download our free Chrome extension from the Chrome Extension Store or sign up on the App Exchange. Thank you for your time.